Hey guys, it's Michael. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to customize your keyboard, as you can see on the bottom of the screen. I just customized mine and it took a while to find a video that actually worked for this device, but I'm going to show you how I did it for Android tablets and Samsung tablets and Samsung phones. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to search up Google Keyboard. The first one, Gboard, the Google. You're going to click on it, install it, open it. Then it gives you a bunch of options. Just go along with what it says. It gives you the instructions. It pretty much does everything for you, but what you want to skip to is theme. You can download a theme from the internet, or you could choose one of these that they already have for you. I did mine quickly because I'm too lazy to go into the internet right now, so this is how I did it. So to change it, you're going to click on the one that you want, hit apply. So now, if we're going to test it out, let's go back into the Play Store. And there it is. That's how it works. I hope that you found this useful. Enjoy.